Here is the baby care urine alarm. Probably the worst quality. It's very bad build quality. I just opened it after buying the product. Look, the build quality of the plastic, probably the most bad quality I had ever seen in my whole life. Well, after opening, I see it's nothing but a very old type speaker and a little board with a LED. It's a baby urine monitor, and this side you have to put under the baby's cloth. When it comes with any water, it makes contact between the two panel, and the most stupid idea is the baby is laughing. This is crazy. It should be like cry, but they put 3 different sound. I don't know why they put this type of strange sound. This PCB has a cry sound also, but they didn't use it. I tried to trick them. I think this sound goes with this baby urine monitor, but they didn't use this sound. So I'm gonna use some editing. Very easy. The first terminal goes to this part and second terminal here. I want to cut this cable and connect to the next one. It's very clear and it's very easy. Yeah, so let's do it. And the soldering connection is also very poor. Yeah, look, I don't know why. And you look the connection, I made this my own soldering iron. Okay, their connection is very bad. I made this also myself. This is their connection. I have to fix it. Very bad. The product is also cheap, but at least the soldering connection should be better. Okay, I don't have any mount to hold my phone during this operation, but if you want to make any correction, you just remove this cable from that pin to that pin, shift to that pin over the golden sign. Yeah, so okay, thank you. This stupid urine alarm, probably you shouldn't buy it, but in our country it's just available. This product, very bad quality. Yeah, this is, the box is not bad, but the quality is very bad. Thank you so much.